So those of you who are familiar with cachaça have probably heard of the Caipirinha, the national cocktail of Brazil. It is sweet, it is vegetal, it is sour, it is the perfect combination to bring out the flavors of cachaça. And for those of you who are watching your sugar intake, don't you worry, Toco Cachaça only has 64 calories per ounce. So throw on your bikinis and let's learn how to make this fresh, summery cocktail, the Caipirinha. So to make a Caipirinha, it's really simple. Only 3 ingredients. Limes, Toco Cachaça, of course, and sugar. First, start with 4 wedges of limes. Throw it into the glass. Then we take 1 or 2, is what I prefer, spoonfuls of sugar. Add that to the glass. And then we muddle with our muddler tool. Really get in there hard. Get all the juices out of the wedges. Once that is muddled really, really well, we take 2 ounces of our Toco Cachaça in our jigger. Drop that in there. And then we fill it with ice, or not all the way to the top, because we want to make sure we can stir it. There we go. We take our bar spoon, same one we used with the sugar, and we stir. And with the Caipirinha, any Brazilian bartender will tell you that it should be traditionally stirred rather than shaken. And then what I like to do is top it off with some more ice just to give it that really, really fresh quality. Then we garnish with a lime, and we have our fresh Caipirinha cocktail. Let's try it. Cheers. Enjoy.